SEO for Wix blog tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the SEO settings, also the SEO preferences of your Wix blog post into the dashboard of your website. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and choose the website that contains our blog. So once we have did that, it is going to show up the setup or the home page of the website. Now, this is the dashboard. We're going to head over the left side of the screen and focus on the blog. Now, we're going to select from the blog, the posts. Now, once we have selected the post, we are going to select the blog post that you're going to implement the SEO settings or the SEO preferences for. For example, I can go ahead and click on this. It is going to be editing this blog post right away. Once you have clicked on it and the Wix editor or the blog post editor is going to be open, you're going to have something different. So as you can see here, it has bugged a little bit, so it is going to be setting up things quickly. So I hope so. So I'm going to wait for the blog post to load up. This is it. Now, as you can see, we have the content, the text, the images, and the titles. We're going to focus on the left side of the screen. We have the add button, AI tools, and etc. Click on SEO, and this is the SEO settings. We have the SEO assistant, the basics, the advanced, and the social share. Let's start by the assistant. It is going to guide you where you are going to be having things done properly for the SEO settings. As you can see, you can have some focus keywords if you're going to have a premium plan and upgrade it to it. So as you can see, it is going to scan the page or the blog post, and it is going to put a little bit of analysis about it. For example, here, the ticked or the checked ones with the green, as you can see this, are going to be very, let's say, set up and also something that is good. And with the exclamation mark, they are going to be wrong. So this one allow this post to get indexed. Yes, it is. Add an image or video to the post. Yes, it is. You can go ahead and check the details, right? And alternative text for all images. As you can see, we have no text here. So we need to only add an alternative text within this image. It is going to be very simple to do that. So you can go ahead and click on the settings, and this is the alt image, so you can go ahead and have it just like that. It is going to be using the AI to generate content about it. So as you can see, this is not going to be a problem anymore, and we have solved it. Right, meta description, you can go ahead and add the meta description of yours. Setting up the meta description, you can go ahead and follow up the tips, so you're going to get a more performant one. Now for the basics, you can go ahead and see the site title, also the post, as you can see, title like that, and here we go. The slug and everything is going to be okay. The advanced is going to be for the structured data markup, robust meta tag, additional tags, and etc. You can also hire a Wix SEO partner to get your website or the blog more socially attracting. Now, the final one is going to be the social share. So we are going to have a preview on social media, which is going to be an image that you're going to put here, and also the description and also the title. So it is going to be showing on social media. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.